Let's crochet the capital letter E. We start off with a slip knot and then we chain 12. You can use any yarn you want with the appropriate crochet hook size. I'm using chunky yarn with 4.5mm crochet hook. For details of the pattern, you can find this in the description of this video. So beginning from the second chain from the hook, you work a single crochet stitch all the way to the end of this row. So you should have 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet for every stitch. So again, for row number 2, you should have 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch all the way to the end. So for row number 3, you should also have 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work and then we chain 1. We work single crochet in the next 3 stitches and we leave the rest unworked. Turn, chain 1, single crochet stitch in the next 3 stitches. Turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet stitch across, so again 3 single crochet stitch, and then we're going to chain 6. From the second chain from the hook, you work single crochet across. So from this chain you should have 5 single crochet stitches plus so if we fix our piece right here, another 3 single crochet stitches. So all in all we should have 8 single crochet stitches in this row. Turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet stitches across. So we should have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet across. So for this row we have 8 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1. We work single crochet in the next 3 spaces, so we should have only 3 single crochet stitches for this row. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch in the next 3 stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch in the next 3 spaces, and then after that we're going to chain 9. Now from the second chain from the hook, we're going to work single crochet stitches across this chains. So from the chains alone, we should have 8 single crochet stitches. Plus 3 crochet stitches across from the previous row. So 1, 2, and 3. So that should be 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, and single crochet across. So that will be another 11 single crochet stitches. Okay, turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet stitch across. Again, we should have 11 single crochet stitches. Okay, and then we fasten off. And use your letter E. Simple as this. So we'll see you again in the next video.